In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enter a Zoom call using either an invite link or a meeting ID, and you'll also understand what to expect on your screen along the way. Most Zoom meetings begin with an invitation sent by the host. This invitation usually includes a clickable link and, in many cases, a meeting ID and passcode. You might receive this invite through email, a calendar event, or even a messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram. The good thing is that both the link and the meeting ID lead to the same meeting, so you can use whichever method is more convenient for you. Let's start with the easiest method, which is joining through the invite link. When you receive the link, simply click on it. Your web browser will open and automatically redirect you to Zoom. At this point, you may see a pop-up asking if you want to open the Zoom application. If you already have Zoom installed, just confirm, and the app will launch immediately, taking you straight toward the meeting. If you don't have the Zoom app installed yet, don't worry. Zoom will guide you to download it, or in some cases, give you the option to join directly from your browser. Both options work, but using the app usually provides a smoother experience. Now let's look at the second method, which is joining using a meeting ID. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer or going to the Zoom website and signing in. On the home screen, look for the Join button and click it. A small window will appear where you can enter the meeting ID exactly as it was provided to you. After entering the ID, click Join. If the meeting requires a passcode, you'll be prompted to enter it before proceeding. Once everything is entered correctly, Zoom will connect you to the meeting. Now, depending on the host's settings, one of two things will happen. You may enter the meeting immediately, or you might be placed in a waiting room. If you see a message saying you're in the waiting room, don't worry. This just means the host will admit you when they're ready. You may also see permission requests asking to use your microphone or camera. It's important to allow these permissions if you want to fully participate in the meeting. For a smoother experience, make sure your internet connection is stable, your audio is working properly, and you've joined the meeting a few minutes early if possible. This helps you avoid any last-minute technical issues. And that's all there is to it. Joining a Zoom meeting is simple once you know the steps. Whether you use the invite link or the meeting ID, both methods will get you into the meeting quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.